Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com. Today's Monday, July 14th, and this is one ugly market. The funniest news I heard today was that they're going to have big investigation, the SEC, big investigation into who's starting the rumors about Bear Stearns and about Fannie Mae and about Lehman Brothers. This is almost as funny as the SEC or Congress is going to have an investigation into the speculators in the oil market. I'm afraid our people in Washington are acting like freshmen in high school. What a joke. Anyway, there is total confusion. This Indy Mac Bank got delisted today. Now the public thinks that any bank could go belly up, which is probably the case, but we just don't know which one. So we're going to sell all of them. And that's what's going on. And they're going to continue to sell them until there's some clarity as to what the real problems are, which banks are in trouble and which banks are not in trouble. And until that is decided, the selling will probably continue. So anyway, I've got an idea for you tomorrow. It's on the short side. Then we'll take a look at our AYR. It didn't get off to a very good start, but the pattern is still intact. And then we'll take a look at our major indexes, and they're just slip sliding away. They have this feel like they just want to totally collapse. I don't know what's holding them up, but they're still holding somewhat together, but they're not good looking. Anyway, my idea for tomorrow is on the short side, and it's WIND. In just a moment, I'll show you the chart and show you how we're going to take this idea and turn it into some money. Don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of WIND. It's a call on the short side. I was going to try and short this tomorrow around $10.60. It's just about where it closed. You know, it may back and fill here for a few more days, or it may start right down. I don't know. Just looks like the pattern just looks like a short sale to me. My target is $8.60 right here. For those of you who want to know where I would suggest a stop loss order, it would be at $11.40, right about there. A close above that probably wouldn't be good. So what do I see? Well, let me zoom in a little bit and I'll show you. First, I see a descending triangle forming. This was the first line of support that it broke right here, and you can see breakdown, kick back, and come back down again. That's how I see this pattern. It's rolling over, and with the overall market's condition, I don't see how this can not go down, unless of course there's some major surprise, but we can't see that in the chart. The chart says lower. So let me recap this. This is WIND. It's a call on the short side, and I think we can make $2 in this trade. Let's take a look at AYR. Pull back. It started out pretty good, and then it closed almost on the low of the day. But the picture's still intact, so we'll have to see what the next couple of days bring. We do know that if it breaks this support here, it would be not be good, and probably would exit the position. But as of right now, everything still looks okay. Let's take a look at the major indexes, because they're getting slippier and slippier looking every day. The Dow, we now have first resistance is right here in the Dow. The second line of resistance is right there. Show you an hourly chart. We got there this morning, but we quickly pulled right back off of it. And this little pattern here looks like it may want to try it again tomorrow. I would be surprised if it got through it, and I'm certainly not going to get through this and on its first attempt anyway. But we may try this resistance area one more time tomorrow. We'll see. That's the Dow. Still pointing down though. Look, just a, I don't know where the bottom is. 1070, I guess. That's what we're shooting at. Dow Jones Transportation Average closed almost on the low of the day. This is our resistance right here. This is getting ready to break this low and come down into here somewhere. And then when that happens, this is going to be resistance. Russell 2000. It's had a pretty good hit today. It's doing this backing and filling, but it's going to break down. It's going to put in another new low. It's set up to do it. This is our resistance right in here. SPY, Standard & Poor's, basically the Standard & Poor's 500. This is our line of resistance. I don't know if we actually made another new low today. We might have by a few pennies, but it's the look. The look is just, we're staircasing down. It's like walking down a staircase, down, 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 one stair after another. Easy to read, but it's painful after a while. QQQs, NASDAQ top 100, minor resistance right in here. Pretty major right there. This is the hourly look. You can see we got up into it this morning and quickly pulled back. And we may visit it one more time, but eventually I think these lows are going to get taken out and we're going to work ourselves lower. That's the daily, and it just working lower, working lower, working lower. Anyway, as I said, they're getting uglier and uglier as the day goes by, and there's still lots of confusion coming out of Washington as to what the state of these of the financial system really is. So it's a source of worry. There's no question about it. Anyway, till tomorrow, that's my view of the market. This is TK signing off.